Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that bull token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, bull is a community driven meme coin on the Solana blockchain that embodies the spirit of bullish market sentiment and viral culture. Solana based meme coin. It is a cryptocurrency token built on the Solana network, designed primarily around a viral meme and community engagement. Symbol of bullish sentiment. The project leverages the universal bull symbol from finance to represent strength, confidence, and positive market momentum. Community-centric movement. Community-centric movement. Its core aim is to empower a decentralized community, positioning itself as a movement driven by people rather than institutions. Bull token total supply is not showing yet, and circulating supply is around 999.96 million bull token. Bull token is listed on MEXC, Bitmart, Flonix, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.